came from outside. I can't believe my friend is missing. Dum 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 dum. What the fuck is that? Bud, is that you? Bud, is that you? It's me. It's me! Yes, God! I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped to see you. I almost died. I was about to die on this couch by crying my off right now. About to cry my ass off. You see this? Look at my butt. Look at my butt. Look at this butt. So, what the? Yeah, you did. I stick my big cock up. Time to do more. Nigga, get the fuck off me. What you gay shit, man? I don't even feel good to see you anymore. Boy, you get on my face. Sick of you. Okay, so it's going back to that time again. Hey, look. If y'all haven't watched New Tiger, fight New Tiger and Gay Bird, or Gay whatever, fight, then y'all need to go check that out while I beat this little stupid up. Bop, bop. I'm not even happy seeing you anymore, but I'm about to kill you with the knife again. But you're lucky that you're going to be in the next episode because you can't die because you're just a stupid puppet. Who you calling a stupid puppet? Man, I'll freaking puck you with my beak. My beak is not working. What do I got? Okay. I gotta get. I'm just gonna lay down. Okay. Now it's time to peck you. Wait, what? What? The peck. Oh, I know nigga did not just puck me. I know he did not just puck me. Puck, puck, puck. Okay, now that's it. Rumble. Like the flesh. I'm stuffed. Let's go get this dead body out of my house. Okay, I'm not sad because I ate him. No blood on me. Except for a little blood in my shirt. Okay, so he's gonna be in the next video. I'm really happy. See, time for me to go to sleep. That's it. You're done. What's that? What's that? I thought I killed you. Let's go. Let's go. Mama. Whoa. Buddy, come here so I can make out with you. No, you little gay bird. Did you get it? You guys, I get it because he's a gay bird and he's a bird. No, don't mess with me, man. Yeah, y'all hear this dumb, stupid, dumb, retarded baby? I'm still glad you're back. I'm still glad, bud. I'm still glad. But still, you still know the good stuff, so I'm really not that glad that you're here. So what do you want to do? Because people all over the news said that you were dead. I even thought you was dead. I almost died with you. Anyway, even the person that's making us puppets talk, he even announced it. But now that we found you, everything is back to normal. No killing clown. That's like killing clown. Ain't no killer cat. That's a robot trying to kill me because I'm a tiger and I'm a new tiger. And you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm the gangster tiger. You'll see me on the streets in our alleyways beating them up. Beating them up. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying, guys? Know what I'm saying? No! Okay, so now since you're here, now we can have help you fight. Because how you fight by pulling hair and all that gay girl stuff. No, man, no. So throw your first hit, okay. Bah, 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 bah. You see, that's the problem. You're making the hitting noise. Well, I do. And plus, your hits don't even hurt. You need to exercise, the little fat bird. Look at all that fat. God, camera. Look at all that fat that he got. Look at that. Let's see that fat. You see that fat? That's how stupid Farrakey is. Look at him. Look at that fat. Put your gay fat stuff against the camera. Look at that fat. He needs to lose weight, don't he? Well, what do we do? I'm so bored. I just want to rip your head apart and start numbling on your guts. Like I already did, but somehow you came alive. Basically, the thing is, I got millions of puppets that look like me. So basically, I can't die, and I got limited on me. So, yeah. No, flip over. Oh yeah. No, boy, no. I'm gonna do stop hunting me down. Stop hunting me down, you little gay bird. No. Get the fuck off of me. Get the fuck off of me. You know what? Get the fuck out of my house. I don't care if you die. Get the fuck out of me. Okay, so now he's at my house. I'm gonna watch some TV. I don't even know where the remote is, so. I found the remote. I'm gonna watch some TV. Watch TV. Not what? I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep on the other couch. I'm sleep on the other couch. What is he still doing in the house? Go. Let's go knock him out. Out. Now he knocked out. Okay, now let me just sleep. My head hurts. He's asleep. He's sleepy. We're laying next to him. Yeah. Oh no, what the fucker. Oh my god, he keeps trying to help me. I hate that guy. No, I don't even care. I would take the rubber as my friend instead of that stupid gay parent. Shit, I hate dumb so much. Get your damn my what no. and dog and dog and dog. My name's Jeff. Fuck this that. My name's Jeff. 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 Something I'm like, why can I not say my name's Jeff? My name's Jeff. No, get the fuck. Get the fuck. Get your little dumbass out of here. Oh, you want more, nigga? You want more, nigga? You want more, nigga? Then get this shit up there. Okay, I'm the one that's fucking controlling right now. If you keep this shit up, I'll whip your ass. Okay, so bitch just punched me. Time to get payback. Get. You might not see him in the next video. Get the fuck out of my face. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the thumbs up, turn on the notifications so when I post a new puppet video, you like it. This one is called Find New Friend. I said find new friend. Find old friend. And I said old. Find normal friend. You know what? Just find. Okay, no, I'm just gonna say find. I don't know what to say. Might say just. I don't even know what to say. So let me see. Find Funbird. Instead of Gaybird, his name is Funbird, but I just put Gaybird to make y'all laugh. Anyway, like and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.